It's Chloe here from the Chloe Bruce Academy and welcome to today's 5-minute lower ab workout. We are going to really improve and get those lower abs showing. So join me on the floor and let's get this workout started. So lie on your back, you're just going to raise one leg up and tap it across the opposite ankle and then back down. Switch legs. Then repeat this for 30 seconds. Now we're going to bring both knees in, heels touch the floor, tap and then shoot back out. Tap the floor and shoot back out. If you wish to put the heels down at the end, please do. If not, keep them hovered. Good. Now you're going to combine the two. So heel tap, double heel tap, out. I'm going to really wake up those abs today. Engage through the abs. Good. Remember to breathe. Next one, you're going to bring one leg up, curl the opposite elbow down, and then out. Again, 30 seconds. This time you're going to lift the left leg up, down, bend, touch your toes. Up, down, bend, touch your toes. 30 seconds, let's go. And switch legs. This next one we're going to do is just bridge curls. So you're going to bring your heels in close to your bum and just push up through the hips. 30 seconds. Dig deep, contract through the glutes. This time, you can repeat the same thing again. If not, extend one leg, and we're going to do the same thing. Push up through the hips. Dig deep, 10 seconds left. And we're going to repeat that on the opposite side. Let's go. Ten seconds left. Remember, if this is too advanced, place both feet down. Good. You're gonna extend one leg, bend the opposite elbow comes up, and extend and switch. Like you're riding a bike. Good. And there you have it, that 5-minute lower ab workout. Hope you find that useful, guys. Remember, you can add that into any workout or use as a standalone exercise and workout yourself. Have fun, guys. And if you haven't already, check out the new membership on YouTube that I'm offering. It's an amazing opportunity to get exclusive videos monthly and to see behind the scenes footage and videos that I haven't released to the public yet. To check that out, just click the join button below and see what it's all about. In the meantime, have a good one, guys. Keep training, keep kicking, and I'll catch you next time. Goodbye for now. Bye.